So as Dr. Martell just said, I'm going to try to be as brief because I don't want the message to be lost. As Dr. Martell just stated, the pandemic's not over. I think we've been here week after week, sometimes multiple times per week. And right now, our positivity rate's increasing, our hospitalizations are increasing, our case counts are increasing, severity of cases in our hospitals are increasing. This should be a wake-up call. I said just a couple of, think about this. Our positivity rate has more than doubled in 2 weeks. It's more than tripled in 35 days. This has to be a wake-up call. You can tell Dr. Martell's concerned. I'm certainly concerned. All of our national experts are concerned. There are some glimmers of good news with when you look at our vaccination sites. You hear today that Director Stubby and RMTD is going to be providing transportation to the door of the Riverside location. We now are approaching about 20% of the county's population being fully vaccinated. There's other good news that was announced earlier this week that we have citizens who are really struggling to pay their rent, making difficult decisions between paying their rent or paying for food or paying their rent or signing their children up for youth programs during the summer that is coming up. So there is help for assistance and relief to pay your rent, and you can go online to renthelp.wincoil, wincoil.us to receive that assistance. We've already had more than 400 residents and more than 100 landlords apply for that assistance. However, just last week I said that the next 6 to 8 weeks are going to be really impactful and really critical to our community in our fight against COVID-19. That's still very true. We need to right now just simply make smart choices. One of those smart choices is if you don't feel good, stay home. It sounds like common sense, but sometimes I think common sense has left us at times. We must continue to wear our face covering. We must continue to practice social distancing. We're seeing vaccinations or the vaccine supply increase, so please register to get vaccinated. Take the first available appointment, take the first available vaccine that you possibly can. And if you are computer savvy, take a couple minutes, reach out to families, aunts, uncles, grandparents, and see if they need help getting registered for the vaccine. Again, you can also register, and you should be registering at the Winnebago County Health Department site, as Cheryl mentioned, that's wchd.org, or by calling the COVID hotline, and that is 815-319-6704. Or 6705, I apologize. And please, vax up. We need to get registered. We need to be wearing the face coverings. And if you are registered and you're called for that appointment, make the appointment or make a phone call and let us know that you can't attend so that we can get another person in there to get that vaccine. And with that, we'll take questions.